Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Life is money, and you're just a hoe.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bri, back at it again with another YouTube video. Today's video is a video. Duh! Y'all know it's video. Today's video is about unboxing this lovely package that I got from ColourPop. I really don't have a lot of color palettes. I said color palettes. Lord! I really don't have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so I wanted to order some palettes from ColourPop to see what's up with them. So let's jump right in. Me and these scissors just don't work out too well, huh? I just don't need to be around scissors in general. Ooh, that's cute. Comes in this little package. It says ColourPop. It's cute. It's cute. All wrapped up. Zoom in so you guys can see it. So, I got my package sort of late. I did the 2 to 3 business day shipping. So I got it like a day late, and because they were late, they gave me, I don't know what this is. They just said, sorry we're late, XOXO ColourPop. And then they gave me loose pigment. I don't know what that is, but I'm about to try it. But let's see. That's nice of y'all. The paper is showing everything that comes in the package. This it's just the card saying ColourPop. And then it says, I'm a sucker for you. Okay, so I bought my mom an eyeshadow palette just for MS Awareness Month, because as y'all know, the month of March is MS Awareness Month, so she wears orange for MS. So I got her this color palette. I said this color palette. Why I keep saying color palette? I got her this eyeshadow palette. It's orange, and yeah, I'm not gonna open hers up because I got one too, but I got her one. Okay, so what I've been waiting for was this. Okay, I don't get how they fit all the palettes in this box, but let's see. It's called Dream Big, and it's basically a monochromatic palette vault. So it has like a whole bunch of palettes in here, like five or six different palettes in here. Oh, that's cool. Oh shoot! Try not to rip it. That's cool. Now that I have the palettes out, I'm going to do like a little zoom in thing and just show y'all what they look like. Okay, so we're not going to talk about how dirty and scratched up my dresser is. Don't pay attention to that, and don't pay attention to my nails, okay? Okay. So I actually like that the palettes are hard. It's not like they're in a cardboard box or anything. This palette's called Main Squeeze. It has these colors in it. Froze, juicy fruit, home slice, like it's hot. I don't know how to say that one. Maraschino, I don't know how to say that. Big gulp, seed money, Baywatch, red bottoms. Okay, ooh, red bottoms. It comes with this little paper on it. I don't know. Ooh, it has a mirror. You got. Ooh. It's a mirror. And this is what the palette looks like. That's what the palette looks like. It's cute. I like these colors. All right, on to the next one. Thank you, Main Squeeze. Orange You Glad palettes that I was talking about earlier that I got my mom for MS month. But this one's mine. It's plastic also. They're all plastic. It comes with Zested, Squeeze Me, Creamsicle, Rise and Grind. I like that one because I've been rising and grinding. Clementine, Sunkissed, Tangerine Dreams, Mimosa Miami, You Peel Me. You Peel Me, okay? You Peel Me. And again, it's there's a mirror right here. I think they all come with a mirror on top. That's cool. Ooh, I like that one. That's popping. Okay. You Peel Me. Yeah, I like that one. I'm not gonna take that one off because it took too long to get the other one off, so yeah. The next one is Honey. Honey. Comes with Stinger, Sunburst, Sweet Spot, Dandy, Palooza, Queen Bee, Totally Buggin', Oh Behave, and Buzzkill. I think I'm gonna like this one. I love yellows. I don't really play with yellow. Ooh, I don't really play with yellows like that. Look at that one. And this one. I like that. Ooh. Honey. This one, next one's called Just My Luck. Comes with Chances Are, Kiss My Hass. I didn't cuss, it says Hass. 50-50, Big Banks, Mary Jane, All of You, Act Natural, Mobama, and Charm. I got Colin. This is cute too, but I don't get how this one ain't in the yellow. Honey, like, ain't that yellow? Shouldn't be in this one, but whatever. But I still like it. I like it. So the next one is Blue Moon. Comes with Lumi, The Body. What? The Body? Moonlight or Moonlit, Starry Eye, Billie Jean, Tide Pool, Mad About You, Fine China, and Clued In. This is nice, y'all. Ooh, look at this blue, y'all. Like Fine China. I really like this palette. This is pretty. That's pretty. And the last one is It's My Pleasure. It has Kittenfish, Do or Doe, Pretty Cruel, Bare Minimum, Earthshine, Chicklet, Mr. Sandman, Fanfiction, and Sleeper. Well, I think I'm gonna like this one. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. So yeah, these are all the palettes that I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It came with 6 of them. I really had to count them. Came in that small little box. Yeah, so I got all of these palettes because I honestly don't have any palettes. I only have like 3 other palettes, so I'm glad that I got all these. It's just to start off for my YouTube, so I have something to put on my eyelids, you know, like just something simple. So I really like that. I'm going to try all of them on in a different video, or different videos, plural. Like, I'm not gonna try them all at once. So yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Love you guys. Peace.